Tripp here inside the Veeam Theater. I'm with some winners, okay? Jason, tell us about these winners, what they've won, and why it's significant.
So this year we celebrated 8 Veeam Innovation Awards for partners and for customers, each one celebrating either great tech or great outcomes. And the best in show with 5,000 votes over the last 2 weeks, virtualDCS.
VirtualDCS, congratulations, high fives. Tell me in one sentence why you think it is that you won this award.
Being different and doing things differently.
I think we put the customer at the centre of everything we do, and I think that really starts to show. Customers come back time and time again. They start off with one product, and then they see everything else that we've got in our portfolio, and they go around our service wheel and kind of pick one thing, go to the next, and we kind of do Veeam end to end.
Amazing. Big congratulations to you guys. Well deserved. Is there anything you want to say about what they're doing that's remarkable?
You know, I love the breadth of what you do. You cover every part of the Veeam portfolio. You build on top of all of our technologies, give great outcomes to customers. Thank you for being a partner, and congratulations.
All right, guys. Congrats.
Cheers, thanks.